All right, so I was at work at 4:30 this morning. I'm actually up at 3 because I commute almost an
In
hour.
1 mile, use the right lane to exit right.
Almost an hour to work every day. But I decided that I was going to work on the property last night after I got off work today. So it's about 2:20. I'm headed to the property. It's roughly 35 minutes from where I work. So once I get there, the plan is to finish the decking on the balcony and then see whatever else I can get finished in a couple of hours. Made it up to the property. Got the car today, not the truck. Truck doesn't commute, not every day to work. So got it loaded up. I got to unload it, take all this stuff out, put it in there, head that way with it. All right, as you can see, I got my little bit of stuff I need up here to finish this balcony right here. You can see last time we were up here we finished this deck. Came out really nice. It's 17-foot diameter, so from there to there, 17 foot, all the way around. Came out good. All right, I think it's quitting time. Sun's getting low. So here's the deck. All 17 foot of it. So the 16-foot bell tent's gonna go on this. And then I got the balcony down here, which I just finished putting the boards down. That's 10 by 8, and that will have a shelter on top that'll be like at the center. It'll be 11 foot from the deck to the very top. So there'll be plenty of clearance when you walk out of the tent, and then there's an actual step down, and then the stairs will be right there down to a landing and then down that way. But that's all we could get done today. There's a reservoir. It's pretty out here this time of day. Don't have the truck because I came from work. But hope you enjoy the sunset.
Everything that happens is motivation. Everything that happens.
I just wanted to do a quick little video before I go, just to show how pretty it is down here when the sun's going down. You see the reservoir back there and the Uwharrie Mountains in the background. The sun is that way, but you can see it shining on the hills behind me, making everything golden. There's the glamping deck up there. The path is not quite finished. I got just a little bit more gravel to put on it. You can see the sun setting over the hills behind me. It's really pretty.